If you are looking for a security solution that is as flexible as it is powerful, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery is arguably one of the most versatile tools you can add to your home or office. It's designed to provide total coverage and peace of mind in areas where running wires just isn't an option, and the newest model brings significant quality of life upgrades to the table. This is more than just a camera. It is an active deterrent and a reliable set of eyes that keeps watch exactly where you need it most. Here is why the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus is the ultimate security upgrade. Crisp HD security. With sharp 1080p HD video, you get a clear view of your property, ensuring you can identify visitors, deliveries, or potential issues with ease. Advanced night vision. Standard night vision can often be grainy and hard to read, but this model features color night vision. This gives you much better detail and context in dark conditions, helping you see colors and features that traditional black and white infrared cameras often miss. Active deterrence. It's equipped with a powerful security siren that you can trigger remotely from the Ring app. Plus bright, motion-activated spotlights that illuminate the area as soon as movement is detected. It doesn't just record intruders, it helps scare them off before they even get to your door. Two-way talk. Whether you need to give instructions to a delivery driver or warn an unwanted guest that they are being watched, the two-way talk with noise cancellation makes communication clear and instantaneous. Battery-powered freedom. Because it is battery-operated, you can mount it anywhere, above the garage, on a side wall, or tucked in the backyard, without worrying about proximity to a power outlet. It is truly the ultimate install-anywhere security device. This camera is built to be a reliable partner in your home or business security strategy. It's durable, responsive, and provides exactly the kind of visibility you need to keep your premises safe and sound. If you are ready to secure your property with a camera that offers both clarity and active protection, you can find the best price for the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus by clicking the link below.